Hello bachcho. So in this problem, we have been given a stick of mass m and length L, which lies on a frictionless horizontal surface on which it is free to move. Now a ball of mass m moving with speed u collides elastically with the stick as shown in the figure. And if after the collision ball comes to rest, then what should be the mass of the ball? So the collision is elastic, and after collision this ball comes to rest, and we have to find the mass of the ball. So these are the options given. So this is the correct option. So let us see how we can find mass of the ball in terms of mass of the rod, mass of the stick. So suppose this is the situation before collision, and just after the collision this ball stops, and this rod, the midpoint of the rod, the center of rod, let's say it moves with velocity v, and the rod rotates about an axis passing through midpoint and perpendicular to this plane. Let the angular velocity of rod is omega. So in this problem, first we apply conservation of linear momentum, because in collision momentum is conserved. So the final momentum is m into v, and initial momentum was mu. So conserving the total momentum just before and just after the collision, we get this equation. Now we have to also conserve the angular momentum about midpoint of the rod. इस ओमेगा को फाइंड करने के लिए हमें इस पॉइंट के अबाउट एंगुलर मोमेंटम कंजर्व करना है कि कोलिजन जब हुआ है तो जो फोर्सेज इन्वॉल्व है वो इंटरनल है, तो इट कैन नॉट चेंज द एंगुलर मोमेंटम. द एंगुलर मोमेंटम, इनिशियल एंगुलर मोमेंटम अबाउट दिस मिड पॉइंट was mu into this distance is L by 2. So this is line of velocity and this is the perpendicular distance. So the angular momentum about midpoint of the rod initially will be mu L by 2. mu L by 2 is the initial angular momentum about the midpoint. And after the collision, this mass stops and this rod rotates with omega. So the final angular momentum will be I into omega. Now, this I, the moment of inertia about this midpoint, will be ml square by 12. And 1 L will cancel out. So from here, we will get L omega equal to 6 mu by m. So ये L ओमेगा क्यों निकाल रहे हैं, तो यहाँ से मैं समझ में आएगा. देखिए इस पॉइंट को इस एंड पे, राइट एंड पे कोलिजन हुआ है और कोलिजन इलास्टिक है, देन वी कैन अप्लाई रिलेटिव स्पीड ऑफ सेपरेशन इक्वल टू रिलेटिव स्पीड ऑफ अप्रोच. सो अप्रोच वेलोसिटी इज u and the separation velocity, so just after collision each point, because दो velocity होंगी due to translation and due to rotation. So due to translation velocity will be v and due to rotation velocity will be L by 2 into omega, because this will about this point it is rotating and the distance is L by 2. So the velocity will be tangential, that is L by 2 into omega, और एक velocity v है due to translation. So इस एंड की राइट एंड की वेलोसिटी ये हो गई v plus L by 2 omega, and this must be equal to relative speed of approach. So v हम यहाँ से निकाल सकते हैं और L ओमेगा हम इस सेकेंड कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एंगुलर मोमेंटम से हम L ओमेगा निकाल चुके हैं. सो पुट करें, v की वैल्यू आ जाएगी mu by कैपिटल M. सो दिस इज mu by कैपिटल M प्लस L ओमेगा की वैल्यू है 6 mu by M. This becomes 3 mu by capital M equal to u. So left hand side becomes 4 mu upon capital M equal to u. So this u will cancel out. So m right side chala jayega m by 4. So small m will be equal to m by 4. So correct option here is option D. Thank you.